Hello friends, today we are discussed Mithila Makhana. This Mithila Makhana got a GI tag recently, August 22, 2022. Our central government has given geographical indication to Mithila Makhana. Mithila Makhana is a special variety of aquatic food nut. It's cultivated in Mithila region of Bihar and Nepal. In Mithila, Makhan is also termed as Makhan. It is one of the three prestigious cultural identity of Mithila. This decision will benefit more than 5 lakhs farmer of Mithila region of Bihar. If a product gets GI tag, no person or company can sell similar material under the same name. This tag is valid for 10 years and can be renewed later.